Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer condo reserves and budgets using CondoControl, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer condo reserves and budgets using CondoControl, start by logging into your CondoControl account. Once logged in, navigate to the Financials section on the main dashboard. In the Financials section, locate the Budgets tab. Click on the Budgets tab to view the current budget's overview. Next, identify the budget you wish to transfer. Select the budget by clicking on its name. After selecting the budget, look for the Transfer option in the Action menu. Click on the Transfer option to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter the details of the transfer. Input the required information, such as the target reserve account and the amount. Double-check the details for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to finalize the transfer. A confirmation message will appear, verifying that the transfer was successful. Next, repeat the process for any additional reserves you wish to transfer. After all transfers are complete, navigate back to the Financials section. Review the updated budget overview to ensure everything is accurate. Log out of your CondoControl account when you are finished. You have successfully learned how to transfer condo reserves and budgets using CondoControl. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.